I've got my brand new Garmin Fenix 8 Adventure Watch, and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. But before I do that, I want to tell you about how I'm going to use the Garmin Messenger Plus with this. I've had a lot of people ask if you can use the Adventure Watch with something like the Garmin Messenger Plus, because this cannot navigate, but the watch can. I'm going to put this Fenix 8 through a lot of field tests with the Messenger Plus, and I'm going to see how I like it when I can navigate. Can I track back? What if I get lost? Can I find points of interest? And I want to see if I like it better than using my Garmin inReach Mini 2 or the Garmin GPS Map 67i. So watch out for all those videos coming up because there's going to be a lot of them. But right now, let's unbox this watch. You can see this comes in a really nice box, and you can just slide this cover off. There's a seal right here that I'm going to have to cut in order to use it. So we'll just unzip that. And now we should be able to open this up. There it is. It's got a nice looking screen, but that right there is a fake screen, I'm sure. And it's something that I can just take off. Let's see what else is inside of it. Well, there's nothing inside of this. There has to be more things in here, so let's take a look at that. Well, there's another box within a box. Here is the charging cable, and on the other side is just some information. And if I haven't mentioned, this is the Fenix 8 Amoled watch, but that's all that is in the box. But that's all you need. Well, that's a pretty nice looking watch right there. And I did get an extra band that I like a little bit better than just black, and that should be in the mail or being delivered tonight. Besides opening this box and seeing what was inside, I really want to tell you about all of the field tests I'm going to do with this Fenix 8 with the Messenger Plus. So keep an eye out for all those videos coming up because there's going to be a lot of them, and I'll have a playlist, and it's probably going to be called the Fenix 8 plus Messenger Plus, but watch out for those videos. Well, thanks for joining me here in Colorado, and I'll see you back out here in the next video. Now get out to the mountains and stay safe.